Hello YouTube, this is SP15, and if you have a Dewalt trimmer that looks like this, you're probably frustrated right now because you can't find a replacement head. For the DCST925 series and some others, they don't have replacement heads. They just tell you to replace the string. Yeah, I don't want to do that, so I'm going to show you how you convert this so the Husqvarna T35 replacement heads will work. Alright, let's start by removing this bolt. After you get that unscrewed, remove the white piece with the spring and the washer. Pull that off. Now on the side here, there's a little notch right there with an opening. So we're going to stick our screwdriver in there. And then you're basically going to go the opposite way that you would think. So I'm going to go that way to loosen this with our screwdriver, and then the rest of the way here. Remove the silver bolt that is reverse threaded. Then grab Husqvarna, and we're going to just screw that in. And that's going to go the opposite way that we would think. There we go. I just want to get that nice and tight. All right, we have reconnected the battery because we did disconnect that while we were working on it. Let's fire it up and see if this works. Perfect. I'll put a link in the description to where you can get this Husqvarna T35. All right, YouTube, take care. I hope this video helped somebody.